Now the next topic is development and birth. After fertilization, means after the union of male and female gamete, the thing which is produced is known as zygote formation. That is, zygote formed after fertilization in the oviduct. For this I will focus on the diagram so that you can understand more clearly. This is the female reproductive organ. Through this vagina the sperms were entered, and this is the oviduct where the ovum is set. While the journey, there were many millions of sperms are traveling, but only one can reach the target. Understood? Few will reach there, but as we have studied that alternate cycle is there. Once the ovum will be released from this, and in the second cycle the ovum will release in this. For instant you observe, fix that the ovum is here, means oocyte is here it is blank. Now while traveling the sperms, few will go there, few will die or degrade, and only one will reach towards this end, that is oviduct. Understood? And by the fusion of this sperm with this ovum, that is known as zygote. Zygote is a formation of single cell or single chromosome. Now this single chromosome will multiply or will increase in the number, and that is known as mitotic division. Mitotically means same, means 2n 2n 2n. Mitotic division means because due to the fertilization or union, the ovum was n and the sperm is also n, and it will 2n. Then 2n, one set is formed, it will divide mitotically into number of factors, and then it will be become a bigger molecule or bigger in size. That is known as zygote formation, and zygote is formed, that is bigger in size. Then this bigger molecule or bigger organ is being pushed in the uterus here, and when it is pushed in the uterus, it will attach to the wall of the uterus, and that attachment to the wall of uterus is known as implantation. And after the implantation of that zygote, that bigger zygote, there is a formation of one membrane at this level. That membrane is known as placenta. This placenta membrane will supply the food material to the implanted zygote for further maturation, and it also gives the protection or support to the attached zygote so that it will increase in the bigger size. Understood? So let's see again. Look, the zygote formed after fertilization in the oviduct undergo repeated mitotic division to become embryo, that is embryo is formed. Understood? Zygote is single union, and when it multiply in number of cell, the formation is embryo. Embryo means this small body. Understood? Now meanwhile it is pushed towards the uterus, and once it reaches the uterus, it is implanted. Implanted means it get attached in the uterus, and further development occurs after implantation, means it will grow little bigger in size after implantation in the uterus. And an organ called as placenta. Placenta is nothing but the membrane which is formed beneath the embryo to protect the embryo and is formed to supply the food material during the growth in uterus. Understood? Now the embryonic development is completed approximately within 9 months after fertilization. Means you can see this diagram. This is 4-week child or embryo, this is 8-week embryo, this is 12-week embryo, this is 16-week embryo, this is 20-week embryo, this is 24-week, 28-week, 32-week, and this is the complete embryo, that is 36, means it is a fetus now which is ready to be delivered, means it is completed its whole development.